Can he add to the goals he scored already this season? He's already the top scorer in the league. What a match. And it's live. We should have a fine game for you today. I'm Martin Tyler. Alan Smith is with me. Welcome to you all. Well, the visiting team have been really entertaining us with some great attacking football, and actually they're the top scorers in the league so far.
Well, they've been full of goals and coming from all areas of the pitch too.
Well, this should be a great game, and we're off and running. Now you've got your chance to check on the lineup for the home team. I think that back four is really important for them. They've got to be strong and solid, but they've got a bit of...
I think he'd love to shoot, but he can't from this angle. Got to get a good ball into the box.
Whipped into the box. Cleared away, well away from goal. A chance to break away now on the counter. Now, can he take them on? Got the ball now under control and a chance to move themselves forward, get up the pitch. Well, that'll be a throw. Well, he's reached that. Play the ball straight to the opposition. Some options now for the pass. Now this in with a chance. It's bounced back off the bar. And looking to play their way through now. Dan. And now the shot! To come into this area. They're wanting further up front though, as the break is definitely on. Well, that could be the insurance goal here.
That little bit of daylight that they were after.
Well, it is the way the modern game is played, isn't it? This kind of breakaway, and they couldn't live with them.
Well, if you've got pace, as this side have, you're always going to be a threat on the counter. It's a wonderful finish.
Dan. Got to be. And they managed to score here. Well, as you can see from the scoreline as we start the second half, there might not be too much of a contest left in this game. Ahmed. Trying to find an opening. Not panicking. Finish it off, and he's put it away. And that's the third, the hat-trick. It's a day he'll never forget.
There's that hat-trick.
The other very off-colour. He's cut it out. The shot! Wonderful goal!
Yeah, the much better team out here today, and that scoreline with...
Ahmed. Dan. The break is definitely on. They've scored! Other foot.
It does, and it drives me mad sometimes when players won't take it.
Feet, and the counter-attack just peters out. Hit it well! Oh, that's an absolutely stunning strike.
I cannot believe he took that on, Martin. It stunned me, and it certainly stunned the keeper.
Well, they'll be showing that over and over again. He has hit that like a rocket.
I've seen this player finish from those distances before. They've really got to close him down quicker.
That is what the fans love to see. A goal hit like that. And we're hearing there will be 3 added minutes here. The shot's on! Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal.
Well, I didn't see it as being as one-sided as it's turned out, Martin, but yet another goal and a good one too here in stoppage time.
Well, disappointment for the losing team, but I'm afraid the winners deserve this margin, which is being confirmed by this very late goal.
Yeah, it's been a walkover.
It was absolutely extraordinary, exceptional, elegant, excellent.
Well, you can see why so many people are talking about him, why he's creating so many headlines. What a performance with the goals that he scored. Came into it in great form, and boy, did he continue it.
Got to be, and they managed to score here. To finish it off, and he's put it away. And that's the third, the hat-trick. Now the shot. Wonderful goal. Hit it well. Well, that's an absolutely stunning strike.
I cannot believe he took that on, Martin. It's stuck.
The shot's on.